Good morning, fun friends. No, it's not Wednesday. Wow. Are you getting your days mixed up like I am? Whew, man, let's try this again. Hello, fun friends. It's Tuesday. Happy Cinco de Mayo. And it coincides with Taco Tuesday. So, talk to your parents, get some tacos. Anyhow, today we've got some different things that we're going to do today. So instead of doing our teams lesson at 1 o'clock, we are going to do kind of like a dance thing with the whole 4th grade. It'll all be Zoomed. So what you will want to do first is probably download Zoom onto your computer, ask your parents for help. If not, I can help you out with that. Don't worry, on Zoom, you will have a meeting number. It's going to be kind of a long number. You will have a password to get into it, and I will have to look and I will have to see who you are. So make sure you write your name, like your actual name, because if you put like random initials or a nickname, I'm not going to let you in. Okay? Because I'm only going to let in kids who I know who they are. Okay? Because we want this to be safe. We want only the people that we know in our Zoom room. So you need to make sure that you type in your name so that I know who you are. Otherwise, you're not going to get in. So no funny names, no nicknames, no nothing. Just your normal name. And I will send that out to you in an email a little bit later today. It's happening at 1 o'clock. And we're having some guest people do some dance stuff with us, and you're going to get to see your teachers dancing, and we're going to do it with the whole 4th grade, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So looking forward to that. Another thing I wanted to chat with you about for just a second is our math Nearpods. So yesterday I had a bunch of you get on yesterday and do them, which was great. I want you to know that the very first problem in your math Nearpods is probably going to be a little difficult. That's okay. I just want you to try something. I don't want you to write question marks. I don't want you to write, I don't get it. Okay, because guess what? Once you try it, then the slide after it, I make a video where I show you how to do that problem. But I want you to try it first before you watch the video. Spend like 3 minutes. You can set a timer, doing as much as you can. Remember, follow the steps that we talk about. Write down what you know. Draw a picture about what you know. It's okay if you don't solve it correctly, but I want to see that you've tried and that you've put forth an effort. If after watching my video where I explain how to do it, you are still confused, email me, let me know. And when you email me to tell me that you need help, please tell me what you need help with. If you just email me and say, Miss Sanchez, I need help, and that's all you say, I'm not going to have any idea on how to help you. So I need you to be specific. If you're frustrated with something, email me and be specific in your first email and say, hey, Miss Sanchez, I am struggling with this slide of Nearpod, of our math Nearpod today, or of our reading Nearpod, and I'm not quite sure what to do. Okay, that's going to give me a lot more information than just, I don't get it. Okay, I get that some of this is hard, and it's a lot harder since I'm not there to help you one-on-one. I can still do that. We can still video chat and I can walk you through it. I've done that with students already. So if you are feeling really frustrated over the math, talk to me. I can get on Teams. If you're not sure how to get on Teams, but you can email me, tell me, Miss Sanchez, like, let's get on Teams and let's talk so that we can make sure that you aren't feeling crazy frustrated with the math. I am here and I am here to help you. So please make sure that you're specific in what you need from me and that you are willing to come to me and say, I need help. And then really honestly, the best way to do it, in class, when you need help, I don't just like write you a note and say, okay, this is how you do it, okay? I go over and I talk to you, and it's going to be a lot easier if we can video chat for me to help you. All right, so let's try and see if we can make that happen so that I don't have as many of you so frustrated, okay? I want you to not be frustrated with things. I know this is hard. I know. I get that it's hard. It's hard for me too. It's really hard for me to look and see, okay, this person's struggling, this person's struggling, this person's struggling, and not being able to immediately go over and say, hey, let's take 2 minutes and let's just fix this right now, okay? So, but we're all working on it and we're gonna be okay. So I wanted you to know that. The other thing is today I think is the last day that I'm going into the school. So if you need anything from the school, let me know. I believe sometime next week you'll be able to come and pick stuff up, or maybe the week after. I'm not quite sure. The school is going to send out a message to you that tells you when you can come and pick up your stuff. And we kind of have to coordinate things so that we don't have all 400 kids coming in at once, because that would not be social distancing. So you're just gonna need to be patient. You will be able to come and get your things, but it won't be for another week or two. So if you have any questions about that, I will answer the best that I can, but I've probably just given you about all that I know. So if you have specific questions, I would direct them to Miss Rodriguez or Miss Pinto, because they might have a better idea of what's going on. I don't know. So those were like the big things I wanted to chat with you about today. It should be really exciting. Again, let me know if you need anything from the classroom. I'm bagging stuff up. Math Nearpods. Yep, I think we talked about everything. Now it's time to go look at my fun garden. All right, here it is. So I wanted to show you something kind of cool with the pea plants. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Do you see how they have like little vines coming off of them? Like right here. Those vines are reaching for something to grab around. Now you can see right here in the middle of the row, eventually I'm going to take the wire that's currently trying to keep our cats out of our garden. I'm going to take the wire and I'm going to put it down the middle of the row right here, so that those little vines can go and have something to grab onto. But you notice right now, those little vines wouldn't make it to the middle, even if I put up the wire now anyway. But eventually in the next couple of weeks, we're going to put that up so that they will have something to grab a hold of. So, yep. It's pretty cool though, being able to see my garden. Our grapefruit rinds are still there. I don't know how much longer those are going to be good for, but that's okay. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great Taco Tuesday / Cinco de Mayo.